If your casement windows are drafty, difficult to operate, or showing signs of wear, replacing them can dramatically improve your home's comfort and appearance. For Lafayette homeowners, understanding what happens during the replacement process helps reduce stress and ensures you're fully prepared from start to finish. Here's a step-by-step look at what you can expect during a professional casement window replacement project. Initial consultation and measurement. The process begins with a consultation. A window professional will assess your existing casement windows, discuss your goals, and help you choose the right replacement options. During this stage, you'll review frame materials, vinyl, fiberglass, etc., glass packages, double pane, low-E coatings, argon gas fills, hardware finishes, grid or grill styles, energy efficiency ratings. Precise measurements are taken to ensure your new casement windows fit perfectly within the existing openings. Accurate sizing is essential for airtight performance, especially in Lafayette's warm and humid climate. Ordering and scheduling. Once selections are finalized, your custom windows are ordered. Manufacturing times vary depending on specifications. When the windows are ready, your installer will schedule a convenient installation date. Most casement window replacements can be completed in a single day, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Preparing your home before installation day. There are a few simple steps you can take to prepare. Remove curtains or blinds, clear furniture away from window areas, take down wall decor near the windows, ensure pets are secured in a safe area. Professional crews will also lay down drop cloths and protective coverings to safeguard your floors and furnishings. Removing the old casement windows. On installation day, the team will carefully remove your existing casement windows. This includes detaching the sash and hinges, removing the old frame, inspecting the surrounding structure. Installers check for any hidden damage, such as moisture issues or wood rot. If necessary, minor repairs may be completed before proceeding to ensure a solid foundation for the new window. Installing the new casement window. Once the opening is prepared, the new casement window is positioned and leveled. Proper alignment is critical for smooth crank operation and long-term durability. Installers will secure the frame into place, insulate gaps around the window, apply sealants and flashing to prevent air and water infiltration. Because Lafayette experiences heavy rain and high humidity, proper sealing is especially important for protecting your home. Testing and final adjustments. After installation, the crew will test each window to ensure it opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, seals tightly when shut. Casement windows are designed to form a tight compression seal when closed, which improves energy efficiency and prevents drafts. Installers will make any necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Cleanup and walkthrough. Professional window replacement includes thorough cleanup. Old windows and debris are removed, and the workspace is left tidy. Before leaving, your installer will walk you through how to operate and maintain your new windows. Warranty information. Care recommendations. This final review ensures you feel confident using and maintaining your new casement windows. The benefits you'll notice right away after replacement. Many Lafayette homeowners immediately experience improved indoor comfort, reduced drafts and air leaks, quieter interiors, easier window operation, enhanced curb appeal. Modern casement windows also provide excellent ventilation, allowing you to catch refreshing breezes during mild weather. A smooth upgrade for Lafayette Homes. Casement window replacement is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation to cleanup, each step is designed to ensure precision, performance, and long-lasting results. For Lafayette homeowners, replacing outdated casement windows is an investment in comfort, efficiency, and beauty, and knowing what to expect makes the experience even more rewarding.